Octo Telematics helps insurance companies to transform the way they manage their relationship with their policyholder. We help insurance companies to be there when it's needed. We use technology to help insurance companies to assess the liability, to assess the damage, to reconstruct the dynamic of the crash, and to make the entire settlement. We take a process of weeks and we move it to hours. Today, if you have three guys who have the same age, the same car, live in the same district, it's very easy. They are paying the same bill. What we do is we use technology to say the three guys have different embedded risk and deserve to pay different premium. We have decided to go with Cloudera for what we call the next generation platform. We acquire every type of data from cars and from sensors. Basically utilizing every type of data, contextual data, driving data and behavioral data. May this year we have reached 5 million of cars connected to our data center, which is the largest number in the world. We have surpassed 170 billion of miles recorded and analyzed in terms of risk analytics. We acquire 11 billions of granular attributes per day. If you need an ambulance, you don't call an ambulance, it arrives. If you need police, you don't call police, it arrives. If you need road assistance, you don't call road assistance, it arrives, because there's technology who understand the type of impact, the severity of the impact. The key to success is you need to have self-learning algorithm, because the fact that we have the largest amount of data in the world for the job that we do is sustainable only if we listen to the data and we learn from the data.